Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a new vlog. I'm starting a vlog today. It is Wednesday. I don't know the date. I think it's the 20 or 19. I'm not sure. But welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time seeing this face, my name is Asanda, and I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button, and the notification bell, so that you are notified every time I drop a new video. That's right, a new video. I'm joking guys, but it's a Wednesday. I'm in my room. I know in the last vlog I instead the thing I'll show you guys the room tour, but I didn't do it, and my last vlog is so short. Like my last vlog is so short guys. I think it's 10 minutes and a few seconds, I'm not too sure, but I know it's short. So yeah, I'm vlogging today. The thing, the goal is to stay consistent at all times, right? So yeah, laptop, yeah. Excuse me, that was my friend. Yo, sorry about that, but I didn't do a room tour, and I'm here to show you this tripod. Finally I bought a tripod, but it's pink because I didn't see, like I didn't read the box outside. It was written baby pink. I didn't read it. I just took its name. So yeah, we're going to get food now. Talk to you when I don't know. I don't have better. I think I'm on like 30 something percent. So I don't know. I'll see what I do. But I don't know, guys. I'll see. We're going to get food right now. We don't have food. We haven't cooked. We don't have pots. Like we don't have easy. We don't have a spoon. We don't have even a cup to drink tea. We don't have that. Basic things. We don't have them. Imagine. But so guys, look. Good morning guys. And I open the windows, the curtains. Let me close the door. Good morning y'all, it's a new day in the vlog. I'm back. We're going to campus now. I just finished getting ready. I want to show you my outfit of the day, but first I want to open this damn windows. So I want to sweep. I don't know if it's straight. I can't really see myself, but I want to sweep the floor now before I leave the room. We haven't made our bed, by the way. We didn't make our bed, but it's cool. We're gonna do that now because we're not leaving now. So yeah, let me do that, yo. Let me do that because it's so cold. Yes, it's so cold. I didn't even bring my clothes, my favorite clothes to be specific. I didn't bring them. They are still in Gauteng, in Johannesburg. Yeah. And I find a place to place you, but I can't find it. So even if I have a tripod now, I still can't find a better way to place you guys. But anyways, guys, yeah, let me sweep the floor, show it after the day, then we hit the road.
Get it from my iPhone 5. Yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me. Put my ass to sleep, you like a daydream. What doesn't kill me really makes me. JJC. You went and changed just to grind at the beans, just to work at that cafe. Now I grind at the beats and niggas cap without the frost. I went and found myself while you were out getting lost. Nothing really changed, set the money in my pocket. speaking on my name, young boy, better watch it. I ain't never stop unless I'm rotting in the coffin. I did it all from home, now these niggas pay me homage. I used to mix drinks, now I mix vocals. Used to skip vocals, now they want my photos down. I wish I could do it again, but then I won't be who I am. And I really love who I am. I used to skip out on exams, now I write hits with my pen. I used to play streets for a 10, now I get booked for a 10. For my iPhone 5, yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. Cause girl, you drive me crazy. Love me, then you fuck me like you hate me. Put my eyes to sleep, you like a daydream. What doesn't kill me really makes me. Yeah, it makes me stronger than ever. I knew these days would get better. I just been chasing my treasure. I will not crack under pressure. Your skin so smooth like some leather. You so cute when you're fed up. Don't you never say never, cause these days will get better. I say, wait, about time I gotta upgrade. Niggas preschool, about time you move on up the grade. Up, where I say you can take the escalator, I will take the staircase. My iPhone 5, yeah, baby, you hit me up all night. See, lately I've been quite alright. If you with me, better ride or die. We did it from a Bye.